Welcome back to Viper Trades, and I'm back with another video. So today we're going to be talking about MicroStrategy, ticker symbol MSTR. We discussed this one not too long ago. However, there have been some changes in Bitcoin's price action which will affect the stock. So I wanted to dive into those so we have a clearer picture on what to expect this week for MicroStrategy. But before I get into this video, if you can smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and smash that notification bell for the latest buying opportunities and market updates. And before I dwell into this, if you haven't already, join me on Discord. As you can see, the Discord group have been printing today. Today we took along on ETH. I have started a new $500 challenge here. So if you do want to tune in, make sure to join the Discord. So guys, you can see here some nice results all across the board. So guys, let's dwell into this video. So as you can see here guys, MicroStrategy, as I did discuss, we've been in this one from around $180, and we took a further position here at $220. I was personally in a lot of calls on MicroStrategy, so those paid really well. And as you can see here, we've seen highs of $539. However, we sit at $337 now, while Bitcoin has consolidated and has taken a slight nosedive from its all-time highs. But regardless, I do feel like MicroStrategy hasn't really been living up to the price action as compared to Bitcoin, and neither has Coinbase, as you've seen from the recent earnings. Even though the earnings were decent, the Coinbase price action did not reflect that at all. So this is why I do want to discuss what I'm looking for the stock in the next few weeks. I did mention this to you guys already, and I did mention if Bitcoin does come into this 80k level, it is a screaming buy for me. However, there are a few things that I do want to show you, and I do feel like it won't be an easy route to that 80k level. And there's two reasons why. Although this will provide strong support, as I did mention as well, on the weekly, we do have great confluence here at 80k. So if it does come into here guys, I do believe this is a screaming buy. I wouldn't even hesitate. We've got a double confluence here with the EMA clouds and also with the 200-day MA as well. So that will be a very, very, very strong buy on my side. However, on the 3-day, as you can see, Bitcoin has held a support on the 3-day on the EMA clouds. Of course, a bit of chop here, but it still should provide a strong support. And we can see here as well, we're currently stuck in this kind of range right here, where Bitcoin has just been chopping from 93, 94k and 102 to 104k. Of course, you've seen a couple spikes up into the 108 to 110k region. However, nothing has really materialized from it, and we've basically been stuck in this area for the past couple of months or so. So as you can see, since November, we've been stuck in this range. But there's one more thing I did want to mention. So within this range, we basically got another range on the 4-hour here. Actually, let me zoom into the daily. So we've got this range on the daily here. So best case scenario is for Bitcoin to do something like this while it's under the EMA cloud on the daily at around 97, 98k. As I have mentioned multiple times, it needs above 99k to see 102 to 104k. So the best case scenario is for us to come back into this level, reclaim it, and then take out those highs here. I do feel like if you do come down here, that will be a good buy on my part. And if you do reclaim it, even better, so we can take out those highs here. So this will be a good buy. And what does this mean for MicroStrategy? So if this does occur, I do feel like MicroStrategy will come into this level here at around $280 to $300, and I do feel like this will be a good buy for MicroStrategy. Whether we range or we don't range, we have to see. As I've mentioned, the price action of these Bitcoin related stocks have been a bit weaker as opposed to Bitcoin, so we shall see. However, I do believe this should be a good buy, and should we break above this level here, and as I mentioned, the key level to break is the 350 level here. So should we break above this level here, I do believe we should see 400 come fast from MicroStrategy, and then 500. And of course, I'm not expecting too much right now. However, if you didn't know, the FTX repayments start tomorrow. So yes, the FTX repayments start tomorrow. So a lot of people will be reimbursed for the money they lost on FTX. So we should see a lot more inflow into the crypto markets. However, how much inflow we see, we don't know yet. You never really know these kind of things. So I'm not getting my hopes up just yet, but it's just something to keep in mind. So this is essentially what I'm looking for MicroStrategy. And as I mentioned already, if we do come into this level here at 220, that is an extremely good buy for me to target those highs. So you should easily double or triple your money if we do get this level here, as I do believe Bitcoin should see highs of around 150 to 180k later this year. And as mentioned before, these are my mid to long term MicroStrategy targets. So you've got this one here at 700, we've got this one here at 900, and we've got 1100 here. So those are my targets for MicroStrategy in the mid to long term. And I do believe we should hit those levels if Bitcoin proves to be strong in the next year or two. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. I'm going to catch you all in the next video. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the latest brand opportunities and market updates.